Hi everyone, today I want to speak about Bash. This video, along with the other videos that I plan to produce, will be mostly for beginner or the people that have forgotten Bash and plan to review it. So Bash is the shell language for GNU Linux system and the default shell as well. So if you use Windows before, it's mostly like the PowerShell in Windows. So basically there's a command between Bash and PowerShell in Windows. So Bash is more powerful. You can do a lot of stuff using Bash. So it's basically more powerful than the GUI or graphical user interface. And I will show you some commands. So the first thing that you need to know about Bash is it is case sensitive. That means the lower and capital letters are not the same. For example, if I use, for example, if I use clear all on small letters, this will work. But if I use clear all in the caps, that will not. This is the first thing that you need to know about Bash. That's the case sensitive. You need to pay attention. First command that you need to know is ls. This lists your content or lists the file or folder that exists in your folder. Here I am in my file folder. This is my file folder. So if I type ls, that will list all the files and folders inside my file folder. And there's some appending that you can add it to ls command. For example, if I type ls/a, it will reveal all the directory. That means including the hidden directory. For example, here we have a secret file. If we type normal ls, the secret file will not appear because it's a hidden directory. So in order to see hidden directory, we need to type ls/a. So here we also can see two folders, dots and double dots. So these are, you can say these are folder, but not like normal folder. See all ls appending comment like a, or you can also type capital A. This will show us all the hidden directory with the folders and files, but without these two dot and two dot folders. So this dot and two dot folders means that dot is our current directory and two dots are the previous directory. So I will speak more about them later. If you want to search more about ls appending command, you can type ls//help //help. And here we can see all the different type of commands that we can use with the ls. -a mean do not ignore interest starting with the dot. So clear is for clear screen. So the next command that I want to speak about is cd, or change directory. Or before we move to cd, I will show you pwd, print work directory or present work directory. This show us in which folder we are now. So now we are in the home. Okay, my phone. So pwd is important when you forget where you are in a file system. And now we will move to cd home. Here's to home file, cd to my file. So as we see, we use cd to change the directory to my file. So we can see all the file contents. So I didn't show you this, but we can show or list the specific contents in the folder. For example, if I just wanna to list the JPEG folders, I can use the wildcard. That means I can type ls.jpg. In this way, if I press enter, it will show me only the JPEG folders. As we see, we have two JPEG folders, 1 and 2. We can use this in text also, and as well as others that format of files like png in this folder or any other format. So I can use a wildcard also for name, for example, any file that start with 1. So we have JPEG. And let's back to cd. So in the start I show you that there's two folders, dot and dot. So when I type cd dot, that means change directory to previous folder. That means the folder previous to my folder file. So if I type cd dot, this will send me backward one step. So if I ls it will show me my file folder. So that's one step backwards. If I type cd dot again, it will take me to the home. So this will list the user inside the home folder. So this is what I have today, and I hope I will see you in my next video.